Here we are. Goyard. Hello, this is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. How are you doing today? Today we are in front of the Monte Carlo casino and we are in front of the bay here in Monaco. So today we went to Hermes, so we have something. This one we'll do it separately anyways, and then this one is the Goyard. So today we're going to unbox the Goyard for today. So let's check this out. So this one in Monaco, it is Hermes and then Goyard. It's next to each other. So yeah, you already know what it is anyways, but for you guys who didn't know, this one is because the shape of this one you already kind of find out what it is anyways. So this one is that with their logo, and then their yellow dust bag. Do you know what color it is? Ta-da! It's the gray one. This is the St. Louis bag that we have in size PM, and then it comes with a pouch, a little pouch like this one. So yeah, and then if you're going to look inside, it is just a canvas in it and linen. So that the lady was telling us that this is just for a summer
for the
beach bag that you will have, that you should not use this one in an everyday bag. So it doesn't fit here anyways, but it's really a tote bag that in top handle type of thing like this one. So yeah, what do you think of this one? This one is about $1,700.
$1,700.
$1,700. $1,700 with the tax on it.
Before the tax.
Oh, before the tax. And then so with the tax, it's
with
probably
1.5.
like 1.5. So yeah, what do you think of this one? Stay tuned of what is this one. This is a bag. Anyways, that's the tease for you guys. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. It is going to be a short video anyways because we're going to head back to Nice, and then tomorrow we're gonna go back to Paris. Stay tuned for the videos that we have for our tours, and then the places that we went to, from Barcelona to Paris, and then Monaco, and then Nice. So stay tuned on that one. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Hopefully you like this our St. Louis bag that we have from Goyard. We'll see you again in the next video. We love you all. We'll see you again here from Monte Carlo, Monaco. We'll see you again. Bye. Hermes Monaco. We'll see what they have. Coffee.